So within your mailbox, you have a lot of options to help you organize your emails. So I'm within an email right now, and as you look at the icons at the top, I can archive it, which takes it out of my main list of emails and sort of hides it away. I can report it as spam. I can delete it. I can mark it as unread. I can snooze it. I can add it to tasks. I can move it too. And moving it, you can change the different categories, or you can create a new label, or you can label it. So let's say I want to label this PD opportunities. So I'll just name it PD op and create. So my label pops up over here. So if I click it, I have a listing of all of the other emails that would be considered PD opportunities. So I have got a whole bunch of labeling to do to clean up my emails. So I suggest you get started. I'll get started soon. And it's just a great way of preparing yourself to end the school year and begin next school year, even take care of whatever you need to take care of over the summer. So make sure you take the time, organize your emails. It'll help you out a lot.